To solve the real-life problems based on quadratic equations, we need to identify keywords and numerical information given in the statements. Making use of this information, we formulate a quadratic equation representing the situation. Next, we can use one of the methods to solve the equations, like factoring method, completing the square, or quadratic formula. So let's try this problem. Here the keywords are sum of two numbers is 27 and the product is 182. So let one of the numbers be x. As the sum is 27, therefore the other number will be 27 minus x. The second statement says that product of numbers is 182. So putting the values, we get x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Solving further, x into 27, 27x minus x into x square equal to 182. Now as the square term of this expression is negative, to make it positive, we can take all the terms of LHS to RHS and we have x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. So this is the equation representing the given situation. Now to solve this, I am using factoring method. So we have to find two numbers a and b so that the sum is minus 27 and product is 1 into 182, that is 182. To split the middle term, we will break 182 into pairs of factors and we get 2 into 91 or 7 into 27 or 13 into 14, etc. As the sum is negative, both numbers will be negative and will be added. So this is the pair which satisfies the condition a plus b equal to minus 27. Therefore, x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. X common from here, we have x minus 13 in the bracket, minus 14 common from here into x minus 13 equal to 0. X minus 13 common, we are left with x minus 14 in the second bracket. Now product is 0 means one of these numbers will be 0. X minus 13 equal to 0 gives us x equal to 13 and x minus 14 equal to 0 gives x equal to 14. So these are the two values of x. We may get one or two different solutions using these two values. Let's put x equal to 13 in these equations. So one number is 13 and other number is 27 minus 13, that is 14. Now if we put x equal to 14 here, we get first number is 14 and second number is 27 minus 14 equal to 13, which gives us the same previous values. Therefore, this situation has only one solution, that is 13 and 14.